Hello, wonderful people! Kamusta naman kamo? And for today's video, we're back for another challenge para sa inyo. And this is called Try Not to Laugh Challenge. Ang matabo is, one by one, make face kami, kabangay. And then, kung sinong magkadlaw, so amo naman ang may consequence. Or, makadunganay kami, muklat mata, na magkadawanay, may consequence. Tanong, first na makadlaw siya. So, dapat, hindi kami dapat magdungan nga gamuklat ang mata. So, hindi dapat ang isa magkapiyong para hindi makita nga funny ang face ng isa. Alright? Yes. Okay, so, consequence, dapat yun, kung magkadlaw. So, that's it. I hope na mag-enjoy ka mo, and let's get started! Pero gamuklat ka, gapiyong ka? Oo. Okay, go. Pero naman ako nilog yung mga. Ready, go. 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 Okay, so that's it guys. I hope nga nag-enjoy ka mo. Nag-enjoy magig ka mo. So, that's it for now. And don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. See you all on our next video. Bye!